Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Prodigal Off Campus is hiring freshers, and the job role for that is SDE1, that is Software Development Engineer 1, and that too for the front end. So we shall see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is Software Developer Engineer 1, and the job type, it is full time, and the education, it is for engineering, and the salary of the CTC, it is 6 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers to 2 years, that is for 0 to 2 years of experience. So both freshers as well as experienced graduates are eligible to apply, and the job location, it is Mumbai, that is India. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed for the job role, it is for BE or BTech or ME or MTech or any other graduates are also eligible to apply. And the branch or the streams eligible, it is for computer science, IT, ECE, triple E or other from engineering background. So they are also eligible to apply. And the percentage criteria, it should be 60% throughout, or it can be 6.5 CGPA or above throughout, so there should be no backlogs, active backlogs. So 60% throughout in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation. And the batch eligible to apply is 2019 or 2020 or 2021. So all three graduates are eligible to apply. So the next thing is the job responsibilities or the roles. So the first thing is you need to develop a seamless user experience with the interfaces that are intuitive and smooth using the modern tools. It can be React, TypeScript as well as Webpack, and also you need to contribute to the overall product requirements and design and the translation of the UI, that is user interface or UX wireframes, to the visual elements. And you need to so integration of the front end as well as the back end aspects of the web application. And the last thing is the implementation of the security and data protection. So these are the various job roles and the responsibilities. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. So you need to have proficient knowledge of JavaScript or it can be React JS, and also with the knowledge of it can be hooks and front end like HTML, CSS as well as JavaScript, and also web performance optimization and various securities, and also understanding of the service workers and also HTTP protocol as well as REST APIs, so knowledge of web services, and also responsive web design. So you should be able to build the responsive web design, responsive websites, and also experience with the tools such as it can be Google Analytics or Mixpanel or it can be Intercom. And also the main thing is you need to be familiarity with the version control systems such as Git. And also apart from that, the soft skills needed are you need to have a strong communication skills, and you should be curious and also a problem solver. So then coming to the selection process, there are four different rounds. So the first round will be the online written test. So the second round will be the group discussion, and the third round will be the technical interview, and the last round is the HR interview. So these are the four rounds that are included in the selection process. So then coming to the application link, the first thing is you need to attach your resume. So make sure that you update the resume with the skills, all the front end skills as well as the Git version tool, that is Git. And after that you can attach the resume and you can fill the details, your full name, your email, your phone name, so your phone number. And after that you need to attach few of the links, either it can be you can enter the LinkedIn URL and the GitHub URL, so whichever you have. So if you have done any of the projects related to front end or if you have done any of the websites, you can add the GitHub URL link. And after that there are some of the front end screening questions like how many years of experience, or if you have done any of the internship you can mention that. And also experience, so how many years of experience you have with JavaScript or it can be React JS. So if you have you can mention, else you can mention no. And if you have worked with React hooks you can mention yes, else no. And also if you have any of the experience with either UI or UX design you can mention yes, else no. And what is your notice period, you can mention like how immediately you can join. And then if you are experienced you need to mention the current CTC. After that if you have any of the additional questions you can mention that, and you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description, you can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.